Good afternoon, and welcome to A Healthier Tomorrow, where we discuss the critical issues affecting our society. Today, we are focusing on deeply concerning topic of drug abuse as a problem that doesn't just destroy individuals, but also tears apart families, harm communities, and even threaten the stability of society itself. Drug abuse affects us on multiple levels, psychically, mentally, socially, and even legally. Today, we have five incredible guests who will help us explore the dangers of drug abuse and, more importantly, the solutions. Let me introduce our panel. First, Latifa, a specialist in addiction medicine, who has spent over a decade helping individuals recover from drug dependency. Anggit, a clinical psychologist with a focus on substance abuse and mental health disorders. Zan, a social worker and advocate for drug rehabilitation and community reintegration. Bilal, a veteran law enforcement officer who has been on the front lines of the fight against drug-related crime. And lastly, Gibran, a former drug addict who has successfully turned his life around and now works with rehabilitation program. Let's start with the physical consequence of drug abuse. Latifa, could you explain how drug abuse affects the body in both the short and long term?
Drug abuse harms nearly every part of the body. Short-term effects include impaired judgment and coordination, while long-term use damages vital organs, increases infection risks, and leads to early mortality.
That's a paint a grim picture, Latifa. It's clear that drug abuse has devastating effects on the body, but addiction is not just a physical problem, it affects the mind as well. Nagit, can you help us understand the psychological toll of drug abuse?
Drug abuse alters brain chemistry, leading to addiction and compulsive behavior. It's often mental health issue like anxiety and depression, a cycle of dependency and psychological deterioration.
Wow, that's a powerful insight, Anggit. Addiction really does trap people in a cycle of physical and mental suffering. But the damage doesn't stop there. It also affects a person's social life and relationship. Then, as someone who works with families and communities affected by addiction, what are some of the social consequences of drug abuse?
Drug abuse isolates addict from loved one and harm relationship. It also impacts communities, leading to job loss, homelessness, and crime, creating a cycle of poverty and social harm.
Devastating, then, drug abuse not only destroys individual lives, but has far-reaching effects on families and communities. Bilal, you've dealt with the legal side of drug abuse. How does addiction contribute to crime, and what challenge does law enforcement face in addressing the problem?
Addiction drives crime, particularly theft and trafficking. Law enforcement face the challenge of dismantling drug networks, but we need to focus on treatment rather than just punishment.
That's an important point, Bilal. It's clear that we can't arrest our way out of this problem. Now, Gibran, you've lived through the addiction and come out the other side. Can you share with us what helped you break free from the cycle and rebuild your life?
Recovery is challenging but possible with support. Detox, therapy, and support groups like Narcotics Anonymous helped me stay clean and rebuild my life. Now, I help others find their path to recovery.
Story is truly inspiring, Gibran. It shows that recovery is possible, but it requires a comprehensive approach. Before we close, I would like to hear from each of you about what we can do as a society to combat drug abuse. Latifa, let's start with you.
Education and early intervention are essential to prevent drug abuse.
We need accessible mental health research to offer early support and prevent addiction.
Community-based rehab program and family involvement are crucial for recovery and reintegration.
Law enforcement should focus on treatment-oriented solutions over incarceration.
Communities should support recovery efforts by reducing stigma and offering second chance.
Thank you all for sharing your insight today. the fight against drug abuse is complex, but it's not impossible. With education, mental health support, community involvement, and compassion, we can turn the tide. To our viewers, if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, thank you, goodbye.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton video